The worst is when you're not wearing mascara and someone says, "Oh, you look tired." No, I just don't have makeup on. I like my lashes to look long, but I don't like them to be, I don't want a lot of makeup on them. I don't want a lot of mascara. I don't want it to be cakey. I like them spread out and to look like I'm really not wearing any mascara. Sometimes when I don't want to wear makeup, I do my eyebrows. My eyebrows are really light to my face, so it's important for them to pop a little bit.
Right now my eyelashes are sparse, very thin. Basically just have one row of lashes. I hope at the end of this that I'll just have beautiful fanned out lashes. Actually, yesterday I bought mascara and I was excited to buy mascara and use it so I can separate it more and have that full sexy look, which again is another thing I wanted. I couldn't be happier. I'm totally having the results that I wanted. On my brows, I definitely have seen a difference. I feel like they're a lot fuller now. Even when I wake up or get out of the shower, I'm not as uncomfortable as I used to be with maybe not filling in my brows.
I remember someone said to me, and no one's ever said that, he said, "You look better without makeup," and that was a couple weeks into the trial. Like, what?
The fact that I just have lashes that I'm really proud of and that I feel like are very full and long and pretty makes me feel like I don't have to wear so much makeup, and I really didn't see that coming.
I can feel beautiful without makeup and even more beautiful with it.